Namaskar, good morning. This is Deshikeshwar Joshi from Group C News Pledge. So I am here to let you know about the brilliant startup of two sisters, Neha Agarwal and Megha Agarwal. Well, the name of the startup was You Occupy. You Occupy is Delhi NCR first women-only co-working space founded in 9 September 2019. So as you know, they are working with the vision of become incubator for women-led startup. This platform is safe place for women to work with other women. They also help out more women and boost their involvement in startup and corporate industry. So we are here to know more about this amazing startup with our special guest Neha and Megha Agarwal.
नमस्कार, मैं प्रवक्ता लतांग राठी, हमारे कैमरे के पीछे है देशिकेश्वर जी जोशी. Welcome to our episode. Have two incredible millionaires who are building an amazing lineup in the co-working with Neha Agarwal and Megha Agarwal. So Neha and Megha, how the collaboration between two sisters is done?
This is amazing. Actually, this is awesome.
Wow. As you say co-working, how we did co-working here?
More than just shared workspace. It is also a community of independent workers, telecommunicators, and create professionals who interact.
We want to give a sense of freedom to the women who want to express their opinion without being judged by others. The interiors of the office will also give a positive vibes and lush greenery to the women working there.
So ma'am, what is your inspiration for big change?
As women have faced many family restrictions, unsafe environment, lack of network support, or being surrounded by male-dominant corporate world, so the fact is there is an urgent need of increase the number of women in startup industry and corporate world.
What are the basically services provided by You Occupy?
Flexible terms and policies according our needs, storage space for office-related staff, conference room for having meetings with the overseas clients, and dedicated lockers for books, papers, etc. Access code facility for more security.
One room which caught your attention in the makeup is the makeup room, so that ladies can stress off by doing what they love. Training room for team bonding and workshop, etc. You Occupy community for discussing the matters that create issues in the mind. Or मेरी
Okay ma'am, that's great of you. One more question, what is the word roller coaster ride as you mentioned in your site?
that was ups and downs by us and our team. We started in 2019. We had to plan everything at our own, interior designing to budgeting and financing to marketing, and every other task carried out by both of us.
The overall journey has been full of challenging but fulfilling and satisfying with limited funding. The other challenge to make the place attractive and appealing from the women, and to do that we decided that add Hello Gorgeous in the bold letter in our office. So we put the indoor plants, greenery environment for positive and healthy motivation workplace. We also put the quotes on the walls of the You Occupy. That was very motivational for our women.
So ma'am, our last question, any current growth?
First hub is completely occupied by the company that prepares applicants for competitive exams.
We are planning to open up more hubs for women from all professionals, and we have also decided to increase the female force in company by 30% coming time.
That's all for today.
Thank you.
all know we live in a society that talks about equal rights for men and women, but we all know that there are just talks of equality and the reality is a different rules, a time when men dominated society.